Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about acceleration. Acceleration is the quantity which comes whenever the body is in motion. So rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. It means whenever the velocity changes with respect to time, then it is called as a acceleration. So we can write acceleration is the rate of change of velocity, and it is denoted by A, and we can write this one as a velocity divided by time. Now it is a rate of change of velocity. It means change of velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. So this one we can write as a change in velocity by time. Now change in velocity means what? It is your v minus u divided by t, where v is called as a final velocity and u is called as a initial velocity. So A is equal to your v minus u by t. So acceleration is what? Rate of change of velocity, or simply you can say that acceleration is the change in velocity per unit time. Now acceleration can be positive or it can be negative. Positive acceleration means whenever the velocity increases with time, that time acceleration is considered as a positive acceleration. And if the velocity decreases with time, then that is called as a negative acceleration or retardation. So acceleration can be your positive acceleration or it can be your negative acceleration. So positive acceleration means velocity increases with time, and negative acceleration means velocity decreases with time, and this is also called as a retardation. So for negative acceleration we always get the value in terms of negative. So minus a, we can say minus a is the retardation, plus a is your positive acceleration, or you can simply say as a acceleration. Next, SI unit. SI unit of acceleration is your meter per second square, or you can write as a meter s minus 2. Then it is your vector quantity. It is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction, because it is related with velocity, and velocity is your vector quantity which has both magnitude and direction. Now uniform acceleration. So acceleration can be your uniform or it can be your non-uniform acceleration, or you can say as a variable acceleration. Uniform acceleration means when a velocity changes equally in equal interval of time. It means equal velocity in equal interval of time. And the non-uniform acceleration means if the velocity is not changing equally with respect to equal interval of time. what is uniform acceleration? Whenever the velocity changes equally in equal interval of time. And non-uniform acceleration means if the velocity is not changing equally, means it's unequal velocity in equal interval of time. So non-uniform acceleration is also called as variable acceleration. Now, uniformly accelerated motion. Whenever the body is in motion and it changes equal interval of time, velocity changes equal interval of time, then it is called as a accelerated motion. So uniformly accelerated motion, we have certain equation. So equations for uniformly accelerated motion. So first equation is v is equal to u plus at, where v is your final velocity, u is your initial velocity, a is the acceleration and t is the time. Then number 2 is your s equal to ut plus half at square. S is the distance, u is the initial velocity, t is the time and a is the acceleration and again t is your time. And the number 3 is your twice as equal to v square minus u square. So this 3 equation is called as a equation of motion or equation for uniformly accelerated motion. And this 3 equation is very important to solve the numericals. Now this one we can prove this 3 equation, and this 3 equation we are going to prove by the graphical method. So for the time being, for the numerical, you try to learn these 3 formulas, that is v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square and twice as equal to v square minus u square. So what we have learned today, that is acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Its unit is your meter per second square. It is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. It can be your positive and negative. Positive acceleration means whenever the velocity increases with time, it is considered as a positive acceleration. Whenever the velocity decreases with time, it is considered as a negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is also called retardation. And the equation for uniformly accelerated motion will be your v equal to u plus at, s equal to ut plus half at square, twice as equal to v square minus u square. So in your copy, you try to write down the definition of acceleration, types of acceleration, uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration, and these 3 equations of motion. So whatever I discuss here, the small note you write in your copy. Thank you.